Dear children, greeting you all very fine morning. I am G. Ganapati, teacher of English at Dr. Besant English Medium School, Vizianagaram. Dear children, as part of our learning program, previously we discussed grammar topics like yes or no questions, double S questions, and also vocabulary. Today, in this lesson, in this session, I want to introduce the textbook. Are you interested? Are you eager to know how the textbook is? How the journey of the textbook is? See, dear children, it's my warm welcome to all the students of 7th CBSE to our journey of textbook. See, children, earlier I showed you a textbook. See, once again I want to show the book. See, children, it is our new textbook by Pearson. It is published by Pearson. Okay, children, it is titled New Images, a comprehensive English course. See, children, New Images, a comprehensive English course, 7th grade. See, children, this book is designed in order to excel the skills of the student, and also through this you can learn the life skills. Real life situations are introduced so that students who opted CBSE, they can gain not only subject but also skills that are required in our real life. Okay, children? See, the title of book is New Images. See, children. New Images. It is the title of the textbook. How the journey, what is our destination, what is the main objective of this book, let us see. In every lesson, if you come across, there are some common traits, common steps that we can see. So that it is said that the journey of the lessons, how do they begin? How do they end? That is, now I am going to introduce you. First of all, I feel that it's very necessary, essential for all of us to know about the textbook. How the lessons are designed. What are the steps that are followed by the publisher? So, in this session, I would like to explain how the journey of New Images of Pearson for the students of 7th CBSE. Okay, children? See here. See how the journey. Let us begin the journey in New Images. See how the journey begins. Let us see. Here it is started. Okay, children? Here is our journey begins. It is the beginning place. See, children, how does it end? Every lesson you take, the first one is, so in this journey, in the New Images, the first one, connect. See, children, the first one, connect. There are, see, 9 steps are there. In every lesson, the publisher followed 9 steps in giving explanation for every lesson. The first one is connect. Here, subjective perspective topic. See, connect. Let us find out first all the 9 steps. Later, I give you explanation on every topic. Second one, see, reflect. See, children, reflect. First, connect, reflect, imagine. Third one, see, imagine. Third one. Then fourth one, before you read. Before you read. It is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth step, read. Read. Sixth one, consolidate. Consolidate. Create. Create. Next one, extend. Extend. The last one, see children, the last step, relate. Here is again, we have reached our destination. See dear children, it's like we are now traveling in this train. What is the name of the train? New Images. Let us start our journey in New Images. How the journey begins? What is the first step, first stage? What are the stages we are coming across? For example, if you start from Vijayanagaram to Visakhapatnam or Vijayanagaram to Hyderabad, there are many stages we have if you catch a bus or a train. But in this journey, how many stages we have? The first stage, connect. Second one, reflect. Third one, imagine. Fourth one, before you read. Fifth one, read. Sixth one, consolidate. Seventh one, sixth one, consolidate. Seventh one, create. Eighth one, extend. Ninth one, relate. In every lesson, in the new image, there are 16 lessons are there, 16 chapters are there. See, 16 lessons are there. See, dear children, how many lessons or how many chapters does New Images book contain? 16 lessons. Every lesson follows all these steps. Every lesson, whatever lesson it is, in this textbook, every lesson follows all these 9 stages. How they are explained? Let us see each stage. What is explained in the connect? What is explained in the reflect? And what is explained in the imagine? Then only after discussion over this, we will enter the lesson. Okay, children? Because it is not only followed for one lesson, it is followed for the entire 16 lessons, so that it is essential, I feel, to know the steps, all the 9 steps. Okay, children? First you see connect. Already I said it is a subjective perspective. Connect is subjective perspective. When it comes to reflect, it is a objective perspective. Objective perspective. Let us see these three. Imagine. Imagine is imaginative perspective. Okay, see children, the first one is connect. Take any lesson, first we have to connect to that is called motivation. You have to connect to the lesson. So we discuss some real life situations. Why do we discuss real life situations? To have a connection with the lesson. So usually how the topics, for example, any sports or anything you take, simply any game, for example, the lesson is related to games. Lesson is related to games. How do we ask in this step connect? Simply we ask the children about their childhood. Past. Simply connect means here past. What happened? How did you feel earlier? Understood? Then just we recall their past. In this stage, connect. That is called subject perspective. Come to this, reflect. See, reflect. Here, how does he feel at present? For example, what games does he like? What games does he like? See, that is a reflection. Here, in this stage, we ask the children, we discuss what kind of games we played. We used to play in the past. That is, we discuss in the stage of connect. The second stage, what are the games does he like? No. Would you like games and sports? What do you like? Can you say? This is how we ask in the stage of reflection. Past, present. See children, simple I can say it is a past. Already happened. Present. Okay. Third one is imagine. See children, what is the third stage in our journey? Third stage is imaginative. So imaginative, already you know that you are given some task. Suddenly you are asked to play the role of Prime Minister. Feel as if you are a principal or a Prime Minister of India. How do you rule? Can you imagine? So here is a chance. Imagination skills. Here, see, imaginative skills here. It is imaginative perspective. It is objective perspective. Children are given some different tasks. Suddenly, you met a tiger in the forest. Can you imagine how do you escape? And what conversation otherwise? If the tiger is very friendly, how do you continue the conversation? How do you speak with the tiger? This kind of discussion is there in the third stage of our journey. You are traveling in the train, new images. New images, it takes in every lesson, it takes every student to destination. It is the destination. Goal setting. Our main object is here. It takes you going coming across all these steps. Okay, children. Imagine to here you are given different tasks. Different tasks are given to show your imagination. You have met Sachin Tendulkar, and there is a discussion regarding the bats and balls, quality of the bats and balls. So how do you question him? So this kind of discussion is there in the imaginative perspective. Okay, children, that is the third step, third stage of our journey. Fourth stage. See, before you read, see, dear children, so far we have not started the lesson. These are all introduction. Before you read, what do you discuss? In this stage, see, children, before you read, it is one of the stages. It is the fourth stage. Here you discuss about the author. See, children, about the author, and also summary, brief summary of, or summary, brief summary we discuss, and also the background of the, see, children, it is the stage where we discuss about the author of the lesson, either prose, drama, or a novel, or any kind of lesson that is prescribed. We discuss the author in this stage, and also brief summary of the given prose or poetry, and also here the background of the story, background of the lesson. So these are the points we discuss in the stage before you read. Okay, children. Now we have reached fourth stage, and let us continue. See, children. Now let us continue. What is the next stage? Read. See, fourth stage is over. Now it is moving our journey. Our train is moving. What is the name of our train? New images. We are traveling in new images in this. Here, all the students of 7th CBSE. What are you doing now? We are traveling. How are you traveling? You are traveling by a train. What is the name of your train? The name of your train is New Images. What is your destination? Our destination is here, relate. So here let us see the fifth stage, read. It is the stage where we discuss prose, see, children, prose, poetry, drama, novel, any comic novels or satires, different kinds of, we will learn in this stage, read, fifth stage. Okay, children. See, come to the now sixth stage. So what is there here? What do we discuss? What is the name of the sixth stage? That is consolidate. What is the name of the sixth stage? Consolidate. See, children. Comprehension skills. In the fifth stage, you discuss the lesson. It is what the lesson, or any poem, or any drama, or any story, or any novel. But after crossing this stage, after completion of the lesson, we have the stage that is consolidate. See, children, what is the name of the stage? Consolidate. Here, how does it help? How does it help to the students? It enhances comprehension skills. See, children, comprehension skills. See, it is the stage where the student can gain comprehension skills and also see values. See, children, values. It is the stage which is after completion of the lesson, where we discuss, where we can enhance our comprehension skills. We are given some questions or true false questions, and also you can get the value, moral values. It is the stage which gives you these comprehensive skills as well as values. And also see the seventh stage. See children, after consolidate we have the stage create. What is the name of the stage? Create. It is the stage which promotes critical and creative thinking. See children, creative thinking, creative skills. So, what are the creative skills here? Here we can learn word power, and also see, it is the stage where you can learn word power and also language structures, listening power, language ladder. See, language ladder. So it is the stage where you can develop creative skills. What kind of creative skills the child can develop in this stage? See here, you are prescribed, you are given word power, that is vocabulary. Different exercises are given, and also language ladder. You can improve your language, that is grammar. Grammar is given in this stage create. Come to the eighth stage, extend. See children, eighth one, extend. It is the stage where a child can improve imaginative thinking. See children, writing tasks. It is the stage writing tasks. See, writing tasks can be improved in this stage. So, you may ask me, sir, what are the writing tasks? Here you have earlier in your 6th class, you might have been instructed, you might have been taught by your teacher. That is like notice writing, diary writing, letter writing, and speech. So these are all come under writing skills. It is extensive learning. Extensive learning it is called, where you can learn all the writing discourses, creative skills, which plays a major role nowadays, and also which decides the inner ability of the learner, so that it is very important stage. Okay children, now come to the last stage, relate. Relate, here project skills. Project skills. See, real life. Once again, all of you, dear children, you see, the last stage is called destination. We have reached our target object. What is our object? Usually, whatever you learn, especially language, through language, we can get values. Language teaches us how to lead our life, how to live in the society very happily, and everything. Your character is designed through the language, I can say, because we have a chance language teacher, either Telugu, English, or Hindi. Through these classes, one can correct one's character by listening various stories. So finally, our target, relate project skills. Real life situations are discussed here. Finally, the student could understand why the lesson is given. What do you learn? What kind of advantages you should get from this lesson? What do you learn? What do you practically implement after this completion of this lesson? This is how a child can learn. Okay, children. See here, all the 16 lessons. Dear children, all of you see, all the 16 lessons follow the same stages. First one, connect. Connect is nothing but past. We discuss past events regarding the topic. That is called subjective perspective. And second stage is called reflect. Here we discuss, it is a link with the past and the present. How you are at present now regarding the topic is discussed in this objective perspective. The third one, imagine. In this stage, imaginative perspective. Here you are given some imaginative tasks. Already we discussed what kind of, if you meet a prime minister suddenly, what do you discuss with him? Such kind of questions. Or if you suddenly come across a tiger, how do you try to escape from it? This kind of imaginative skills are tested here or learned here. And the fourth one, before you read, in this stage you learn details of the author and also some background and also some brief summary of the lesson. Fifth one, read. Now the given lesson we are taught to read the entire given lesson. The next one is consolidate. Here comprehensive skills are tested. Comprehensive skills are tested. The seventh one, creative. Here grammar and vocabulary we discuss. In the eighth stage, extend. Here is a time for writing tasks, creative discourses like letter writing, notice writing, diary writing, this kind of and speech, conversation. We will discuss in this writing task. That is the eighth stage. Last stage relate. Here we have some projects. So that is related to real life. This is the object and journey in this new images. How do you feel, children? How is the journey? How is the journey in the train of new images? So let us see what is the first lesson. Okay, every lesson follows. You remember and you note down all these and what do you learn from each stage. Every student must know. Okay, children. See, once you note down, let us see what is the first lesson and also we discuss a few points and conclude. See, children, please note down. Shall I rub it? See, children, the first lesson here we have of magic lamps and genies. Of see, children, of magic lamps and genies. Mark Twain. See, children, of magic lamps and genies. See, this pronunciation is not genies, genies. See, children, genies. It is the pronunciation of the word genies. Of magic lamps and genies, written by Mark Twain. See here, what is meant by genies? A magic spirit. See, children, magic spirit. We can see in movies also, Kanchana and some other movies, you come across these genies, magic spirits. See here, a magic spirit that looks like a person lives in a lamp or a bottle and serves the person who calls it. If you call it, comes and helps you. That is a magic spirit. That is called Genies. See, the pronunciation is not genies. Genies is a magic spirit. Okay, children. But here, the Mark Twain, it is explained very interestingly and comically. But here, before going to this lesson, let us see some introduction and conclude. Already you know the stages: connect, reflect, imagine. Connect, see in this textbook, if you see the textbook, here it is. Connect, see, what is the first stage? Connect. So generally, you know that in your childhood you played many games. Can you tell about the games? What games did you play in your childhood? That is the connection we discuss. Okay, children, I know you two love so much the games, and also in the stage reflect. Reflect. What games and sports do you like? Would you like playing games or sports? You list them. So, dear children, I don't want to extend this. I want to conclude. Here is a homework for you. Already you know that what games did you play in your childhood? You list out in your homework book, and also reflect. What is a reflect here? Do you like games at present? What games do you like? Tell about the games to your friends. These are the two things you have to write in your notebook as a homework. Okay, children, let us continue our class in the coming session, and we can enjoy our lesson, which is written very comically by Mark Twain. Thank you, children. Let us see the coming video.